This is a Math Olympiad question. So let's solve this. We need to find the value of this. So this is the equation. Let me rewrite it. 3x to the power q 27 to the power x is equal to 9. How do you solve it? So what we can write it, let's do that. 3x to the power q. 27 can be also written as 3 to the power 3. X is equal to 9. 9 what you can do, you can say 3 square. Okay. So why I'm writing in power 3? Because I just wanted to ensure that whatever the multiplication is happening, that get added in form of powers. Okay, so 3x to the power q, this become 3 to the power 3x is equal to 3 square. Okay, now so this is formula a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m n. Okay, now this will become 3x to the power q is equal to 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3x. Okay, this can be rewritten as 3 to the power 3x plus 2. We know that a to the power m and a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So this will become 3 to the power x cube is equal to 3 to the power 3x plus 2. Okay, now when base is equal, power will be equal. Okay, now this is the equation we are getting it. So let's solve this. So x cube minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so what will happen is x cube minus 3x minus 3 plus 1, we can write like this. Okay, so let's say we are saying rearranging this x cube plus 1, I am saying on this side, and here I am taking 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x cube plus 1 and this take 3 comma, so this become x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we know a cube by plus b cube, what is the formula? So you can rewrite it. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b and a square plus b square minus ab. So we can apply same a cube plus b cube formula here. So we can write is x plus 1, and then we can write x square plus 1 minus x. Okay, and here take 3 comma x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x plus 1 and x plus 1 is common, so we can take x plus 1 outside, and inside what will be left? X square plus 1 minus x, and this become a, what will be the value of this one? Minus 3 is equal to 0. So what will happen? either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Okay, so x plus 1 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus 1. So this is one value of x. Now let's solve this one. X square minus x minus 2. Okay, this become a 0. So if you solve using the quadratic equation, so x will be minus b is minus 1, so this become a plus b square minus 4ac 1 square, this is b, okay, minus 4 a into c, so this is a into c, so a is 1 and c is minus 2, okay, upon 2. So if you simplify it further, 1 plus minus, this will become what? Minus 8 plus 1, this is become a minus 9 by 2. So this is a value you can write further. So 1 plus minus 3 by 2. So if you solve this, so there will be another value of x which will be equal to 1 plus 3, 4 divided by 2. So this is the one value, this is 2. So there is one value, x is equal to minus 1, this is, and if you take a minus value, then it will become again minus 2 divided by 2. This will again a minus 1 which is already here. So these are the two value of this x. So this is how we solve this kind of question. Thank you very much.